Back to the Future Mall with Bossco Mitchell.
Back to the future. Yeah.
Let's go. If you've been watching, y'all know what's up. Champs Outlet. Let's go. Yo, look at this. They only had a size 13 last time. If you guys been watching hoops for a while, y'all know what this is. The Tai Chis. These are the Tai Chis. They are some and-ones. Holy cow, let's see if Bossco knows what this is.
$19 on these.
But do you recognize that specific model?
Not really. Is it Springwell?
No, that's the Vince Young. That's what he wore during the dunk contest when he won the dunk contest. Those are the Tai Chis. Those are the Tai Chis.
$19. Okay.
Yeah, and they had a size 13 last time. This is 7.5.
That's correct.
So they got more, but I doubt they have. They're not gonna have my size. I already know. Of course, I did ask. Nah, 7.5. That's it. Dang it. All right, Bossco's checking those out. Bossco hasn't been here in a cool minute. I just tend to drive like crazy, and I don't think most people do that. All right, let's see what's up with the Nikes and stuff. I guess technically we'll start with the J's right there. A couple of 6 rings, 11 low IEs. Got a couple colorways. 2 trays right here. Delta 3s, with the 3s or the 2s? Yeah, Delta 3 lows. 200 E's right here. And I got LeBron 20s, next gens right there. Got a few of the 19s, down to $50. Bossco was tripping out about the issue 3s right here, Don issue 3s. Cannot believe they're freaking $20. Sizing is definitely going to be an issue. It's not like they have a ton of sizes. I haven't seen what these are going for, but they do have these. I guarantee they are hella cheap. These are a size 8 right here, the Pro models. This is the same Mary's colorway, going for 50. Kobe's, do got Prestos. Trae Young's getting no love from the general public. $30. Got 4 different colorways. At least you get a full box when you come here too. Pretty much cheap as Ross. Did skip over these bad boys. The Flight 95s. These are the 95s. Right? Yeah, Flight 95s right here. They have Cosmic Unities going for 50 as well. Web Boost, 60 freaking dollars. Can you believe it? Get full length boost for $60. Also got the 2021s, 2023s. I don't know. 2022s, my bad. 2022s for $80. Still got some of those mellow balls right there. Got the 1s, got the 2s. Not $30 though. Some of the Reeboks, Kamikazes, Questions. Got a few of the Panini ones right there. Still got these, $60. Y'all know hoop sneakers, man. Y'all old school fans, y'all know what this is. Y'all know what this is. Size 9 right here, $60 freaking dollars. Remember, you could use the survey coupon as well. So you can use them, but you don't earn them. I think that's what it is. You don't earn them here, but you can use them. $20 bands. Dude, God, what the hell? What kind of bag is this? I don't think this is a fanny pack, but I don't know. One of these packs that you put around your shoulder. I don't know, but $35. Normally $35, down to $20. Got a few of those. They also got these. These are straight up fanny packs. It says Jordan with the Wheaties font. I think that's technically how you say that. $30, $35 down to $20. Got Adidas fanny packs. Got some random hats. Oh, this is a pretty cool little mini backpack. $40 down to $20. Is that a New Era shirt? New Era Dodgers shirt right here. This is a size medium. Yeah, this is normally what? $40? 45 down to 15. This is a medium. Jordan shirts right here, normally $4. These are smalls though. Got some interesting looking Nike shirts. These are $15. The one with the Nike logos all over it. These are large. $40. They got them in green. Down to 15. Nike hoodies go for $20. All kinds of Nike hoodies go for $20. They do have graphics and stuff on them. But $20, normally $70. Kind of crazy. Some of them have logos, some of them don't. Oops. Yeah, all these for $20, not bad. They have some graphics I'm not too into. Okay, the black ones with the graphics, and then I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, $20. think I've showed these quite a bit, or quite a few times. This is a size small, normally $99, and they got it for $20. Kind of a dope deal. I got the Nike denim shorts right here, camo denim, 75 down to 30. Large, medium, a couple sizes. Oh, XL right here. Got a few sizes. I still have these. The camo sweats, 75 down to 30. Bossco's in the Mitchell and S and Pro Standard stuff area. Yeah, the Pro Standard shirts, those are pretty dope. Normally 55 or something.
Yeah.
We were trying to figure out if it's 20 because it's right there, and then that one's 30. I think it's 30 because that one says 30, but I don't know 100%. But it's definitely like some premium material. Has all the team logos on it. And then, did you see the stuff in the back? They have like Pro Standard shirts that they're slightly different. Seattle, and this one's a LA, and then like they have different stuff in the back. Oh, my bad. All right, we'll definitely make it back there. They do have the champions. I'm joking. Nobody's looking at those. They do have the Diodoras right here. I don't know who this is. I don't know. It's with somebody. Santana. I don't know who. I can't tell. Oh, it's All Elite Wrestling. So AEW, $20 for these. You know, I doubt they're gonna have a ton of sizes, but they are gonna have a few. This is an AEW collab as well. And then, is this the same one? The same one? I think so, yeah. AEW collab. All go for $20. And they got these all black ones right here. Don't really know what double action means with $20. Curry 9s. Don't see these on sale too often. $100 for those. I was looking at this price tag, to be honest. Got some AN1s. Got a different colorway. I guess that one sold out. Another AN1 right here. I don't really know none about that one. Oh wait, did I skip this Deodora? Yeah, $20 for this Deodora. Grade school right here. $90 for playoff 13s. This is a 5.5Y. Holy cow. Then dude got other Jordans right there. 37. Those 37s? These 37s? Yeah, 37s. Got a couple more of those. And then, yeah, I guess these are technically Jordans, right? Grade school. Air Max 90s down to $60. Dude got Hirachis at $40. 80 for those. Air More Up Tempos. I think those have been that price for a while now. Got grade school right here, and then look at this, $30. $30 for grade school. So, dang, that's a size 7 right here. For the women who got small feet, that's what's up. That is what's up. 30 effing dollars. Are you serious? Wow. They add these CSG shorts, but I don't think they have them anymore. These are $10. The material is like super, super nice. They had shorts that had zippers for pockets, or zippers on the pockets, and they don't have anymore. I did buy one for my kid, but he really likes them, so I was gonna buy other colors. But they don't have no more. And the thing that makes me mad, they were down to $5. $5. They had like 3 or 4 different colorways, and they're all gone. They still do have all this stuff. These are going for $10. The fleece cargo shorts, and the pockets are deep, which is pretty nice. Wait, did I forget to come back here? I think I did forget to come back here. They still have a few of these. These are the Chinese New Year shorts. These are the Mitchell and S Chinese New Year shorts. Normally $125. They have large, they have small, they have a few different sizes. $20 for those, and they have a Chinese New Year, the Lakers one right here. Both of these are small. They have an MLB shorts right here. Are these? No, these are just shorts. They have every team on them. They're down to $20. Large and a medium for you baseball fans. Lakers one right there. I don't know how much the price is. Those might be $30 because that's along with that. And then they do have, for $80, they do have the Rams as well as the Steelers. They got their Mitchell and Ness windbreakers. Is that what those are? They got a Curry hoodie right there. I think those are $60. And then they got the Dodgers ones right next to it. I believe all those are $60. But they might be $40. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're $40 now. All kinds of hoodies. I'm telling you, $30 for all these hoodies right here. Those windbreakers, Nike windbreakers and stuff like that as well. I got that green one. I'm not digging that color. But also have these going for 40. Still got the MB2s right here, 65 down to 20, and then they have some other shorts up there. Those are down to 30, and like that red one. The red one's pretty dope, down to 30. Got t-shirts, go for $20. Got hoodies for 50, my bad. Yeah, those are going for 50. They got those hoodies right there as well. And then they got some Mellow Ball t-shirts down to $20 as well. And then I did forget to show the jorts last time. The G shorts, $5, buy one get one free. So 2 for $5. Holy cow. And then they just keep getting more and more and more. They just really haven't been moving. They got them right there. And then they even have some on top. They got a bunch of CSG, the Champ Sports Gear t-shirts. Buy one get one free. So all these, it looks like all of them are buy one get one free. Some of them the colors are kind of off, but something like this ain't bad. But this is a triple XL, so sizing definitely gonna be an issue. Oh shoot, and then got more. And look at this, got more and more and more. They've been working on getting rid of these mother lovers for a while now. And they ran out of room, so they got even more right here. And then all these tie-dye shirts and stuff like that. All buy one get one free. $2.50 each, man, if you buy 2 of them, man. And then for all 4 women that watch, there aren't that many women watching. I'm sure there are more than 4, but they do have stuff, dude. Look, like women's stuff, women's apparel, like sports bras and stuff like that. $5 freaking. Obviously, sizing is gonna be a little bit tough, but if you can find something, $5. And to be honest, if they don't even fit, you try it on and they don't even fit, you just give it to someone else because it's literally $5. They have all the tights, they have all the stuff, and some of it's like their house brands. Okay, leotard, is that what these are called? I don't know what the hell. But yeah, they have sports bras. Cozy brand right here. This actually looks pretty cool. Obviously sizing issue. This is an XL. It's kind of big. Like the small right here, it's a dress and it's $5. Normally $50. They have a couple different colors. The colors are kind of wild, I guess, right? Colors are kind of wild, but a dress for $5, pretty dope. You want to get something for your girl, or if you're one of the 4 ladies that are watching, that's all you. They have a bunch of stuff. They have more stuff right here. Everything here is $5, and then everything here is $5 too. Holy cow! These are the shorts that my kiddo really likes. These are the shorts. They only have smalls. They're normally $48. I picked them up for $5 here, and he likes the fact that hey, he could put his phone, and he doesn't have to worry about it coming out because he has that zipper. But yeah, they don't have any other. They don't have any other colors, man. Is this a different color? I think so. What size is this? What size is this? This is bright as hell, though, man. It's gonna get dirty in 8 minutes. This is a small. I need a medium. Oh, now that I think about it, I think I got him a darker. Oh, this is a gray. But what would he wear this with? Yeah, these are all smalls too. I need a medium. Dang nabbit. All the good colors, all the good sizes, all gone. Bossco did buy a couple of things. About 3 things. But yeah, make sure you guys check out his channel to see what he got. I'm not gonna spoil it. Make sure you guys go check it out. I think that's about it. Did have a lot of fun going out with Bossco Mitchell. Make sure you guys check out his channel out. He does check out a lot of spots out here. He has multiple channels too. He has a sneaker news channel. He has a sneaker, what is it? Like, oh, he has a resale channel. He has all kinds of stuff. So make sure you guys go check out his links in the description. But I think that's about it, man. Make sure you guys help away. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. Click on that notification bell, and I think we're done. Pretty solid deals?
Yeah, pretty good, man.
Okay.
$19 on 2 shoes is not bad, and a shirt in there too.
Yeah, okay.
$60 down to $19 is definitely still.
So, all right. And then he has Ultimate Warrior. I forgot to show Ultimate Warrior on his old school, doing the old school. All right, we're out. Let's go. Haven't been to a Ross in a while. I figured let's look around. Dude got some 4Ds, right? These are size 13, $70. I think the retail on these are $200. These are the Witherspoons, right? Witherspoon, Superstars, Super Earth. But yeah, $30. We're good on these, size 12. D Rose down to 31. Witnesses, $65. Good Lord. Under Armour, you got these football cleats. I think they're football cleats, $23. Another one of these, 11 and a half. Cooney's 57. Another one of these right here. Third one of those. I got the Ferrari ones right here. These are 9.5. $37. Maybe if they get marked down. My kid is big into F1 right now. What are these? I don't really know. Is this the Infinities? I don't know. But yeah, Under Armour's $47. Got some NMDs right here for $37, size 7. Another one of these as well. Is my kiddo gonna get mad I didn't pick these up? These just don't look that good though. I don't know, but Max Verstappen, if he ends up, oh, he is going to Ferrari, so shoot, maybe I do need to grab one because my boy's gonna be wanting Max Verstappen stuff. He is like almost the greatest of all time already. He's like young as hell. $50 for these. Grade school section, Bossco did find these. Do got a Simpsons collab right here with Bart and a controller in the back. $37. Then I was gonna show y'all this Burlington. Is this Burlington closing? Looks like it's closing, dog. That didn't even worth going into, huh? That's kind of far. That's kind of far, dog. All right, let's go. Let's go. We're out, you guys. We're out. Did bring these to one of the homies, the Wildcat on Instagram. Grabbed one of these for him for retail. He was busy that weekend. He was out of town, right? Yeah. He was out of town that weekend, so I did grab one of these for him for retail, you know. So, yeah. Cool?
Easy.
Good looking out. Good looking out.